Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss an important position in a professional kitchen, the line cook. Line cooks play an important role in restaurants, hotels, cafes, resorts, and other food service establishments. They prepare and cook food according to recipes, quality standards, and instructions from senior kitchen staff. But what exactly does a line cook do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is a line cook. A line cook is a kitchen professional who prepares and cooks food at an assigned station or section of a professional kitchen. In simple words, a line cook is responsible for preparing ingredients, cooking dishes, maintaining the workstation, following recipes, and supporting the kitchen team during food service. The exact responsibilities depend on the restaurant, kitchen section, menu, and organization. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a line cook. One of the main responsibilities is food preparation. The line cook prepares ingredients such as vegetables, meat, seafood, sauces, garnishes, and other items required for service. Another important responsibility is mise en place. They prepare and organize ingredients, utensils, equipment, and other items before the service begins. Another major duty is cooking food. Line cooks prepare dishes according to recipes, cooking methods, portion standards, and instructions from the chef or kitchen supervisor. Another important responsibility is maintaining food quality. They monitor cooking time, temperature, seasoning, portion sizes, and presentation to maintain consistent food quality. Another duty is plating and presentation. They arrange prepared dishes according to the restaurant's presentation standards before the food is served. Another important responsibility is maintaining the workstation. They keep their cooking station clean, organized, and properly supplied throughout the shift. Another duty is checking ingredients. They monitor ingredients and inform the senior chef when supplies need to be replenished. Another important responsibility is following food safety and hygiene procedures. They handle, prepare, cook, and store food according to the establishment's food safety and hygiene procedures. Another duty is supporting the kitchen team. During busy service periods, line cooks coordinate with other kitchen staff to ensure orders are prepared accurately and on time. Now, let's discuss the daily work of a line cook. A typical day may begin with checking the assigned station, reviewing the menu, and completing mise en place. The line cook prepares ingredients, checks equipment, and ensures that the workstation is ready before service. During service, they prepare and cook assigned dishes, communicate with other kitchen staff, monitor food quality, and replenish ingredients when required. After service, they clean and organize the workstation, store ingredients correctly, and help prepare the kitchen for the next shift. The exact daily routine depends on the kitchen and restaurant. Now let's talk about the skills required to become a line cook. The first important skill is basic cooking knowledge. A line cook should understand common cooking methods, ingredients, recipes, and kitchen equipment. Another important skill is knife handling. They should be able to safely and efficiently prepare ingredients using appropriate cutting techniques. Another important skill is time management. During busy service, several orders may need to be prepared at the same time. Another useful skill is multitasking. Line cooks often need to monitor different ingredients, cooking processes, and orders simultaneously. Food safety and hygiene knowledge are also essential. They should understand safe food handling, cleanliness, storage, and prevention of cross-contamination. Another important skill is attention to detail. Recipes, portion sizes, cooking times, seasoning, and presentation need to be consistent. Teamwork and communication are also very important because kitchen service requires coordination between chefs and other kitchen staff. Now, let's discuss the qualities of a good line cook. A good line cook should be hardworking, disciplined, punctual, organized, responsible, adaptable, patient, and willing to learn. Another important quality is calmness under pressure. Professional kitchens can become very busy, so line cooks need to remain focused and organized. Cleanliness is also essential because food preparation requires strict hygiene practices. Another important quality is attention to detail. Consistent food quality depends on careful preparation and cooking. Team spirit is also important because kitchen operations depend on cooperation between different team members. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary depending on the employer. Many entry-level line cook positions may accept candidates with a basic school education, culinary certificate, diploma, hotel management qualification, or relevant kitchen experience, depending on the organization. Candidates with experience as a commis chef, kitchen assistant, or other entry-level kitchen worker may also move into line cook positions as they develop their skills. Food safety training and practical cooking knowledge can be valuable. Now let's look at some common workplaces for line cooks. Line cooks can work in restaurants, hotels, resorts, cafes, catering companies, clubs, hospitals, institutional kitchens, cruise ships, and other food service establishments. The assigned cooking station can vary depending on the kitchen, such as grill, sauté, fry, pantry, or other sections. Now let's discuss the career path of a line cook. With experience and improved culinary skills, a line cook may progress into positions such as senior line cook, chef de partie, sous chef, junior sous chef, and eventually other senior culinary roles, depending on qualifications and experience. Developing skills in different cuisines, advanced cooking techniques, food costing, menu knowledge, kitchen operations, and leadership can support career growth. Before applying for a line cook position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to the kitchen section, cuisine type, working hours, shift requirements, physical requirements, experience requirements, food safety responsibilities, and qualification requirements. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. A line cook performs important kitchen activities such as food preparation, mise en place, cooking, plating, ingredient management, workstation organization, food safety, hygiene, and service support. Important skills include cooking knowledge, knife skills, time management, multitasking, food safety, attention to detail, teamwork, and communication. Important qualities include hard work, discipline, punctuality, organization, responsibility, patience, adaptability, cleanliness, teamwork, and willingness to learn. For people interested in culinary arts, restaurants, hotels, food production, and hospitality, a line cook position can be a useful starting point for developing a professional culinary career. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the line cook job description, job role, roles, responsibilities, daily duties, skills, and qualities. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.